Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your noodles. I've tried over 3,000 varieties, so I know a thing or two of what to do, so I will show you what to do. Yeah, so crazy day. Long day. LAKSA from Hong Kong that I found at the new T&T supermarket at Lansdowne Center up in Richmond, BC. And let me tell you, folks, that place is crazy. I mean, brand new, just opened. Wow, you know. So this is LAKSA from Hong Kong. I know it's kind of weird, but LAKSA and Tom Yum flavors are getting popularized in Hong Kong. Nissan Cup Noodles has them. I don't know who else does. I'm sure there's other brands, well, like this one. But they had a, what is it? Ho Fan noodle version too. But it's 4 minutes. You get 2 sachets. You get a dry, you get a wet, and you get straight noodle. And yeah, after the 4 minutes, that goes in. So at least that's what the icons are telling me. So here is straight noodles. Ooh. And now they're gonna get a spin in the pot for 4 minutes. So what's so crazy about today, you ask? Well, the saga of the computer is pretty much come to its final happy ending. So, as you all know, if you've been watching, and if you don't, I'll tell you the whole story right now. God, what was that? End of July, I ordered a computer from HP. I couldn't find a refurbished one that had all the specs that I wanted. So I had to get one made, which wasn't what I wanted to do, but I did it. Got it here, set it up. Wasn't exactly what I thought it was going to be. Was kind of disappointed. And then it came up with thermal errors, and I'm like, what? I just got this thing. This just shouldn't have any errors. Luckily, I had the special warranty. Well, sends it back to them, and I've only had it for 6 days at that point. Like 20 days later, we can't replicate the error, so we can't like replace it for you. I'm like, well, I want to return it. So they send it here, and I have to send it back to them to return it, which is stupid. And they agreed. They thought that was like the most ridiculous thing. Now, once we got the refund, ordered a new one. Well, new one was ordered, and then it was like the 6th, I think it got ordered. And then its estimated ship date was going to be the 18th, which was yesterday. It was shipped on the 11th, I think. So I was pretty stoked with an estimated arrival date of the 18th. And then I'm like, cool, that's like an extra few days quicker. But then nature intervened, and Super Typhoon Mangkut came and did quite a number on Shenzhen, China, and Hong Kong. And the computer was built in Shenzhen and then left there, ended up in customs in Hong Kong for departure. And then it's just like, boom, weather delay, severe weather. Delay. And amazingly enough, and I saw lots of video of the insanity of that typhoon. Wow. It got here yesterday, which was the 19th. Perfect condition. I was thinking it's going to have kelp, it's going to have water, and it's going to have drywall like shot through it like shrapnel. I'm serious. If you should go look up video of that typhoon, because it's scary stuff. I mean, wow. But it got here and it was supposed to be here by the end of the day. Well, 4 o'clock goes around, 5 o'clock goes around, 6 o'clock goes around. I'm like, oh my God, where's my stupid computer? So I take the dog out, and there's a UPS truck sitting there, like, with its blinkers going. Go take the dog, do his business, come back. I'm noticing it's still there, nobody's in it. Run over, get the mail, come back, and when I'm going past it the next time, I see a guy with a big, huge hand truck full of packages because he'd gone to the office, but the office was closed, and turned out he had my package, and I got it from him. But I was the only one who got any packages yesterday because the guy was way too late. And even though we had marked bring to door, don't bring it to the office, it already had a tracking code in it saying something like unable to access blah 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 blah, when it's like, my wife was at home with the kids. Come on. Lazy. Stupid. Sorry you don't feel like bringing it to the door. But actually, I lucked out, and I was outside, and he was nice, and he did bring it to the door, so that was cool. But we've had issues like this happen, like, many times. Many, many times. You know. But, hey, it's here, and I set it up, and wow, and doing, like, video editing and stuff, just this morning, I mean, I got up, like, 2:50 a.m., because I was like, I don't know how long this is going to take. I don't know, you know, I want to make sure that I have more than enough time. I had enough time to get it all set up, copy everything, you know, all my backups, put them all back on for the most part, install almost all the software that I need to survive. And then I was like, well, I'm going to edit some video. And I rendered 2 pieces that had chroma keying, which is like green screen, right? Usually they take 40 to 50 minutes to do like 15 to 20 minutes worth of video. It did it in 10, and I did like 3 of them. So I saved like, what, an hour and a half, almost 2 hours worth of time. I'm like, yeah! So all of that finally in the end, and I'm like, thank goodness. And it's pretty neat looking too. It's all tricked out, and I'll have to show everybody how it looks one of these days, but not today, because I'm hungry. And we have LAKSA. You see the LAKSA? Looks the LAKSA. So I'm going to try the broth real quick. How's that look? Hot. And good. This has a really, really nice prawn taste to it. Which, if you know me, I like that super prawn flavor. And perfect noodle. I was super stoked on the Tom Yum that... this is Sau Tao. They're a Hong Kong company. And they also make a Tom Yum with the straight noodle. And yeah, I was just like ultra stoked on how that was too. So, way to go. Well, they did that, like I was saying, they did it with the Ho Fan noodle one, and that LAKSA was just kind of not that strong. And I don't know, maybe I didn't put enough water with it, or I put too much water with it. I don't think I did. I think it was just not that strong, which is okay, you know, hey, I'm not going to like everything, but that I like. This I like. Alright, let's... Boy, I'm going to eat it in front of my new computer. Hopefully I won't spill it in front of my new computer. That would suck. The only thing I want to be sucking on is these noodles. Alright, let's throw some mung bean sprouts in the pot. Yeah, I don't care. I'm showing you how I'm going to enjoy it. So, There's mung bean sprouts and fishball in here, so let's drop it on in. First review with the editing, that's all going to be done on the new machine. Unfortunately, I don't think that side of it, like image editing, is going to be any faster, but that's okay. If it takes the same amount and I just have that much more time that I'm saving when I'm doing video, I am totally stoked. Because video rendering takes so long. I guess you can tell how old my machine was if it took 45 minutes before and now it only takes 10. Technology, yes. And I didn't make any eggs, but I got tofu puff. That's okay, right? Are we gonna be okay with that? Because I don't have any egg. I mean, I have eggs, but I've just been kind of working on the computer. You'll have to excuse myself. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but you might notice that the hose for the AC is down. There's, what do you call them? Air compressors and junk outside doing stuff. Doing scary stuff. They're gonna like paint this frickin' building. I think that's the plan at least. What else do we put on here? Let's put on some bonchabe. I got this at my friend Jonathan's store. He's got a little shop in Edmonds, and it's called Warong Jajanan. That's Google this. WAROENG space JAJANAN. Warong Jajanan. It's on 99. If you're going north, it's on the right side, right after 99 Ranch Market. Okay? You want to go there, and you want to check out his food, and you want to check out the stuff they got there, because they have like noodles and stuff. And I'm going to be doing like a super fancy Indomie mee goreng video very soon. I'm thinking that might be the next video. Is the next video 100? Episode 100? It could be. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, here's what we ended up with. I am actually going to eat this. This is a very, very special day. My boy's at school. Oh, do we even have time to eat it? If I hurry. Yeah, the boy's at school. The little girl's asleep. Happiness, but it's getting stuffy in here from them having all the spray stuff going on. So, all right, well, cool. Thank you very much for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day, and wishing that you would please watch some of this stuff, and please subscribe, and please like, and yeah, so cool. And I will talk at you later. And enjoy your the rest of your day and stuff. And yeah, all right. Have a good one. Bye.